The NeoLIVE R5PRO Series supports 4 HDMI or SDI inputs and 1 fifth channel pulling stream. How to configure input? First, press the menu button. Here is input. Press this knob. Here we can see the definition, the signal source, horizontal mirroring, and vertical mirroring of each input channel. We can also configure the fifth channel here. The fifth channel supports signal source from video, SDI, webcam, polling stream, and phone. Also, it supports horizontal mirroring and vertical mirroring. We can select the video we want to play. Use these two buttons. You see here it changes. Okay, and also we can use this button to pause and play this video. Also, we can long press the file button to switch between image and video. Now switch to image, and again long press it, switch to video. This is the auxiliary output. Press it. We can choose the channel we want to display. Here we can see it changes. And choose the one we want to display. Also, we can rotate the channel here. Okay.